Hey everybody, this is Mike from Accounting for Cycling. Today we'll be unboxing and checking out the new Logitech G735 wireless gaming headset. This is from Logitech's brand new Aurora collection of gaming gear. So there's also a keyboard, mouse, 10 keyless. So it's meant to be just kind of an overall kind of, I don't know, softer aesthetic than most gaming gear. And so we'll be opening this up and checking it out. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but I did receive this as a member of Best Buy's Tech Insider program. And as a member of this invitation-only program, I am provided products for the purpose of writing honest, unbiased reviews. And I did not purchase this product. All right, so let's dive into the unboxing. So we got a nice little tab here. Open that up. Ooh, wow, that's nice. So we've got a nice little cloud theme on the inside of the box. It's nice paper here, and it looks like it's probably all recyclable too. Even this part of the container here is made out of like a cardboard. All right, and so here they are. And they've got a nice kind of limited adjustment metal rod here. Instead of the clickable, and so you've got a little holder here too, so you can put your thumb in, or put your thumb on it using the braille of left and right. And it kind of doubles up as a place to kind of grab down. And on the right side of the headset, you have the power and Bluetooth. So you can actually select this device to work between two different devices at the same time. One through Bluetooth and one using Logitech's Lightspeed adapter. Oh, got that slightly wrong. This is just for device switching. So switching between Lightspeed and Bluetooth, and then also Bluetooth pairing. So that's an A/B for switching between devices here. And on the left side, you have the boom microphone attachment with a little image here on a sticker that can come off, and that port to plug into. You've got your USB-C for charging and a 3.5mm jack to hook up, say if you don't want to use wirelessly or your battery dies mid-gaming. You can also use that as one of the alternative devices too, between 3.5mm and Bluetooth, to use also then with the Lightspeed devices. You got your volume rocker here, right above the dedicated mute button. It's a nice tactile button too. I'll try and get it close here to see if that sound actually travels through. And then here's the power button. So let's see if there's any juice from the factory, and look at that. We've made a little noise. These are nice, pretty squishy. They're supposed to be made for like an all-day kind of comfort wear. And now you can kind of get a look at the pretty subtle RGB lighting effect on here. So these headphones, or this headset, weighs 250 grams, so it's pretty light. Like it, even just holding it, it feels very lightweight, very easy to move around, but still pretty durable too. And dive in further. So in this first box here, we've got, feels kind of like a game show almost, the boom microphone and also your USB adapter, which you'll notice Logitech switched to USB-C. It's a kind of fairly recent change for them. I've got the G915 wireless gaming keyboard that uses Lightspeed, and it's all micro USB. And so here's the boom microphone. Plug that right in. And it's, yeah, got a fair amount of adjustment. Yeah, pretty nice little microphone on there. And you can actually, through Logitech's website, purchase other ones in various colors so that you can kind of match it to your aesthetic and how you would like to have your gaming set up. All right, and this is your extender for your Lightspeed adapter. And it matches the color of the unit too. This is just showing you how you can remove the battery for recycling. And that's a big focus with Logitech's Aurora gaming system, is focused very heavily on recyclable. So when it does reach the end of its lifespan, you can easily take it into somewhere to recycle it. And since it is Lightspeed, Lightspeed only works with one device. So it's not like the unifying receiver that Logitech has. So they are all labeled. So it's nice to where you know exactly which one works for what, but also a little bit annoying because, you know, when you have your headset, your mouse, and your keyboard all using the Lightspeed adapter, you have 3 different plugs. So hopefully one day Logitech can figure out a way to change that and make it a little bit easier. That is everything in the box. Right? And so the dual zone LightSync RGB on these, you can set to be 2 different colors. So out of the box here, we've got kind of a soft blue and almost like a pink purple. I think it may have, it's kind of cycling through a few different ones too. So each side you can set for 2 different zones here to really personalize your look. It's still pretty subtle, so if you were to actually wear this in an office type setting, you know, those who know, they'll know that it's a gaming headset. But those who don't, they'll just be like, wow, that's a, you know, pretty stylish looking headset you've got there. Yeah, overall, feels nice, sturdy. Now I'll be giving it a shot in a real-world fit. All right, so this is the Logitech G735 on my head. Fits pretty comfortably. Now, of course, headband is kind of going through my hat here, but you barely even notice it's there, so it's pretty nice, comfy. Yeah, you can definitely see the RGB lighting. The headset. Green means unmute, and there's red for muted. So the headset is very lightweight, very versatile, sounds good. I'm pretty excited to actually do a little more gaming in it. It's definitely a lot lighter than some other headsets that I've used in the past. And yeah, comfortable, nice fit, lightweight. Some of the controls on the actual unit itself here, like, it seems a little cramped if you have a little bit bigger hands, but you'll definitely get used to it, as with anything, the more you use it. So thank you so much for watching today. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'm hoping to kind of get on a more regular schedule of this. So be on the lookout for all that, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.